In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate inspiration and get ideas for creating a happy birthday story ideas, okay? Very easy, very simple. Of course, you want to go here on Instagram, you want to browse through the different stories, but the main inspiration saving you a lot of time and giving you the blueprint what already works and what is already appreciated from the persons is simply going on Pinterest. Come over here on Pinterest, essentially you want to go down to search bar and you want to type birthday story ideas. Okay, story ideas for Instagram. And why this is unique and why this is amazing? Well, you essentially can scroll down, right? And you can find out what already work. So for example, you see there a bunch of different story ideas, but this one got 244 interactions. And if you scroll down, you would find even more that actually worked. As you can see over here, somebody, created a selfie with the bouquet, flowers, right? With, some small gifts on the side. Everything that is, you see, very plain, very regular, very average didn't work out. Comparison with this one over here on the right side, 622 interactions. This is the main source because, guys, here you're going to get the blueprint what already works. This is a proven strategy, proven method. You're not going to be shooting into the sky and expect something to happen. Look at this on the left side, 1,500 interactions. So compare this with all of the others that simply don't have any interactions, no engagement. People didn't get hyped up, people didn't make it viral, people didn't make it amazing. See, somebody tried to create something very, very, I would say cute, with multiple flowers in the shape of a heart, but still didn't get traction. Compare with this one, 35,000 interactions, guys. This is why I want you to come over here and I want you to type the exact same search queries, okay? And this is what I want to pay and stress so much, because you are going to find out what already works. So all you gotta do is to go back and implement the same exact strategy, and you're gonna get things going, okay? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.